Okay, so apparently it's record store day today when you're watching this video. I thought that was very fitting. I recently purchased some spooky records to add to my collection. Thought we would use this opportunity, this beautiful day. Beautiful day? It's a beautiful day to do a record unboxing. I have some good ones in here, so if you are interested, keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sam, also known as Halloween Happy, and here I celebrate Halloween every single day. It's where Halloween is more than once a year. It's just me sharing what I love with you guys for anyone who wants to watch, even though it's only 5 people. But that's okay. If you guys are new here, go ahead and turn on that bell, the bell icon. Turn it on so that way you are notified when there is a new video. Currently, this is my second video that I'm filming today. We're trying to provide some videos over here on the YouTube channel. If you guys don't mind, can you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up? Comment something down below. Subscribe for engagement. That would mean so much to me. If you want to see what I'm up to, maybe get to know me a little bit more, you can follow me on social media. All my links are listed down below. I would love to have you. If you would like to support this channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you so much to everyone who's already checked that out. Appreciate it so much. So let's go ahead and get into it. Record store day. It's technically not today, maybe it is, depending when this video goes live. Record store day is a day when the record stores get together. Think like Coachella, but on a smaller scale for record stores. You know, they usually do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I feel like it was something that they started back in 2007. You guys know that I love collecting records. I'm pretty particular with the records in my collection. Maybe in the future I will do like a full collection on my records possibly. Let me know if that's something you want. I feel like I've shown a few before. I think it's been quite some time though. But you know, I took a little bit of break of just buying some stuff for my collection and whatnot. I saw that there was a release and I was like, that is one that I really need. The records that I do have are mainly horror scores from some of my favorite horror movies. They are Halloween soundtracks. Halloween movie, yes, of course, but I mean like Halloween sounds, like the holiday Halloween, like the vintage Halloween sounds. Also, I have, now that's what I call Halloween. Like, are you joking? You're gonna have a Halloween party, you need to invite me. I can come with my records and I will DJ it up for you. It'll be a spooky time. You can email me and I will give you my rate. I only like having spooky records. I mean, I'm sure that that's not a surprise to you. I find my records at a lot of places, if I'm being honest. I look for them when I thrift. Now that's where I can normally find like the retro, older records, like the Halloween sounds. Current artists, they put a lot of their albums on records. Taylor Swift, you know, everyone does it. You can find like newer releases like at a comic shop, especially like horror themed records. You can find at different comic shops, different kinds of horror cons. Some people sell records there. So when I do purchase my records, if I do it from an online shop, I believe that I've only purchased from Waxwork Records. I think. I'm pretty positive. I love them, honestly. Like, this is not a sponsored video, although it should be. Email me, please. They have like a lot of cool releases. They do a lot of like limited editions. I can't even begin to tell you how much I love them. Let me know in the comments, what do you think your biggest music collection is? Is it cassettes? Is it CDs? Is it records? I had like, before moving to Massachusetts, I had the hugest CD collection. Like, honestly, every week I would buy probably like at least 4 to 5 CDs growing up. I just love music so much. Probably love music as much as I love Halloween. Like, just such a mood booster for me. Like, if anyone asks me like what I wanted to be growing up, amongst the many things that I've dreamt about doing since I was a kid, like music was one of them. I wanted to be a pop star. I wanted to be a singer. I wanted to be a music producer. I wanted to be a songwriter. I wanted to be a music video director. I wanted to be a backup dancer and go on tour with singers. Like, music has just been a big part of my life. And also shout out to Waxwork because their customer service was fantastic. So when I had purchased these CDs, oh my gosh, when I purchased these records, I wasn't getting an email. I only got a confirmation through PayPal, but I didn't get a confirmation through the record store. So I was like, well, did my order even go through? And it had been about like a week or so of me ordering these records, and I was like, maybe it didn't go through. So I emailed them and I was like, hey, this is my order number from PayPal, but I haven't gotten anything. And they were like, oh, it looks like you have gotten an email, but your records will be there tomorrow. So that was a nice surprise. They answered me like super fast. It was like a few hours later. Great customer service from what I've experienced. So if you're looking for a record store to shop online, definitely check out Waxwork Records. If you're new to records and you're wanting to grow like your spooky collection, I highly recommend. I don't know what to show you guys first. Okay, I think I'm gonna show you this one. Now this takes me back when I did a reaction video to a particular movie trailer many years ago. Okay, not many, but it feels like such a long time. Jack Black. It's not the one you're thinking of. It's the one that I feel like people overlook. I feel like it's definitely underrated in my opinion, my personal opinion. House with a clock in its walls. Oh my god, like I just want to watch this movie today. I am so excited for this, you guys. If you have not seen this movie, I highly recommend it. It's definitely like on the level of like a Goosebumps and Harry Potter kind of. I loved it. Like it just made me so happy. It makes me feel like a kid. It makes my brain like forget all of my worries and all of my stresses. Like I'm probably gonna take a bath later tonight and watch it, or just lay in bed and fall asleep to it. If you're not familiar with The House with a Clock in Its Walls, let me go ahead and read the synopsis to you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've seen it. 10-year-old Lewis goes to live with his oddball uncle in a creaky old house that contains a mysterious tick-tock noise. He soon learns that Uncle Jonathan and his feisty neighbor, Mrs. Zimmerman, are powerful practitioners of the magic arts. When Lewis accidentally awakens the dead, the town's sleepy facade suddenly springs to life, revealing a secret and dangerous world of witches, warlocks, and deadly curses. Completely forgot that it was directed by Eli Roth, so check it out, guys. It's so good, and the soundtrack is honestly amazing too. So the record I'm gonna show you in a moment was the reason why I even was like, let me buy a record, and then I looked because I was like, well, if I'm paying shipping, like let me add something else. And this was one that I wanted. Just something about opening a new record. Oh yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at how beautiful this is. Wow. It's like super Halloween-y, obviously. Here's the front. Let me show that to you guys. The music is composed by Nathan Barr. Oh my gosh. So here's the insert. I have like a special thanks. Gives you a list of all of the musicians. Ooh, you've got to be kidding me. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Are you joking? Wow. You guys are also gonna love the other side of this. Hello, excuse me. I might insert a clip of, just a brief clip of me, of the record playing, but I also don't want to get copyright striked on my channel, so I don't know if I will. If I don't be mad at me, but look up the soundtrack on YouTube. It's so good. Definitely don't want to get that copyright strike. Here's the next one. Ooh, is that not gorgeous? Then this is the back. I feel like they should have done the jack-o'-lantern on this one, but I can see why they switched it up. I'm so happy, you guys. I needed like just a little mood booster, and this has definitely helped me. If you haven't seen this movie, I highly recommend it, and if you haven't, you can check out my reaction to the trailer. Watch that, and then you can decide if you want to watch the full movie. A lot of string instruments on this one. Oh, okay, so the artwork is by Jeremy Paler. All right, Jeremy Paler, I see you. I see you. Ready for the next record? I think I was scrolling in bed and then I was like, oh my gosh. I think I had messaged my friend. I was like, should I get this? Because I kind of felt guilty. I don't need it. I'm trying to save money, like it's fine. This is like a Jack Black video, honestly. Okay, so the next record that I got, I know this isn't surprising, but it's Goosebumps with Jack Black. I'm like growing a little collection of the Goosebumps movie. Like I think, oh, so I have like a board game, I have the VHS, I think, or is it on tape? Maybe the DVD, and then I also have like the live action book. Got like quite the little Goosebumps collection over. But yeah, I was excited because this is the one that they shared in their stories. There was like a variant that was purple and green, and then the other variant I want to say was orange and yellow or orange and red. It actually might be the same. A little unwrapping ASMR for you guys. So with this one, the music is composed by Danny Elfman. So it's just like the Goosebumps book. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so fun. Oh my gosh. This was on the other day when I was doing laundry. It made me so happy. I don't think I even remember which variant I got, so it's gonna be a surprise. All right, first let's look at the insert. So obviously the artwork is done by Tim Jacobus, who is known for illustrating over 100 books, Goosebumps books. Normally I prefer it if it is some kind of artwork or has something to where you can frame it if you choose to do so, but this is a letter from Tim. Said, then Goosebumps came along. I really didn't know that much about R.L. Stine nor who he was. It was probably for the best, otherwise I might have choked on my first assignment. I wasn't the only choice of the artist for the series. I did book 1, Welcome to Dead House, and a different illustrator did book 2, Stay Out of the Basement. I was told they liked my style because of my use of rich, vibrant colors. The covers for Monster Blood and Say Cheese and Die followed. I had never worked on a series that had gone longer than 4 books, so I believed that was the end. I couldn't have been more wrong. I love this. Goosebumps were the greatest visual stories. I would read a short summary of the book before I created the covers. R.L. Stine made my job easy. Oh, I'm getting emotional. Why am I getting emotional? I love that. Okay, take back what I said about wanting a better insert. This is amazing. Just shows you, like, you just don't know what's gonna come from life, you know? You just never know. You just gotta keep going. You never know. Let me see which variant I got. You guys can't, the camera's not even picking it up how beautiful this is. Whoa, 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 whoa. And then here's the back. You have Slappy on there. There, that's better. I feel like you can see how vibrant that is. Okay, so the other one is either orange or purple. I can't remember. Oh my gosh. Oh, there you go. Is this not beautiful? Goosebumps has definitely been a huge part of my love for horror. I just love it so much. From having the books when I was younger, looking for them when we would have our book fairs and doing like the whole book it, having like Pizza Hut rewards and the personal pan pizza. Do any of you guys remember that? I remember when the show came out on Fox. It was either, I think it may have been Fox at the time. It could have been Fox Family, but I'm pretty sure it was Fox. But I would just watch it every Saturday morning, and I would procrastinate all my book reports that I had to do for class. This is like elementary school. If for some reason our teacher wanted us to do our book reports in the form of cereal boxes, like we would design a cereal box for every book, draw on the cover, and then on the back we would talk about it, and then we would kind of talk about it in class. Every week or month, I don't even remember how often we had to do these book reports. I would just watch the Goosebumps TV show, and then I would literally make my little cereal box, whatever episode was on during that weekend, and my teacher was like, oh, this is so cool at the beginning, but then I would just only do Goosebumps books, and my teacher had to tell my mom. She was like, okay, like all Sam is doing is the Goosebumps books. Can we like try to get her away from these into something else? That's gonna be it for this unboxing video. I feel like it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, probably a few years. I'm not really like buying a lot of stuff right now anyways. If it's something that you guys want to see, like I might order a little something here and there, and if I think it's like video worthy, I might do it. I might upload it. I don't know. I don't know if you guys like unboxing videos. I thought I would share this one with you, and I thought it was pretty fitting for record store day. Let me know, like, what's a fond CD or album that has like kind of stuck with you? What's like a song that when you turn it on, you can listen to it over and over and over and over, immediately makes your day better, makes you have good energy, energy? Let me know, comment down below. If you guys want to see what I'm up to, you can follow me along on social media, my Instagram, everything else is listed down below, just Halloween Happy. And if you want to support this channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee. That would mean so much to me. Subscribe, and maybe you would like to stick around and join the rest of my Halloween Happy community. I promise everyone is really nice here, and I hope you guys are all having a great day. Enjoy the weekend. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you next time. Don't forget, check out the house with the clock in its walls and tell me what you think. Message me on Instagram and let me know what you think, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.